In the last video, we practiced with factorizing quadratic equation with the coefficient of x squared always equal to 1. Example, x squared plus 7x plus 6 here, the coefficient of x squared equal to 1. X squared plus 9x plus 14 here, the coefficient of x squared also be equal to 1. But for this video, we will practice with the coefficient of x squared that is not 1 anymore. So the method of factorizing is unchanged. We still take the product between a and c and then factor that number. Figure out the option have the sum equal to the middle coefficient. Example, question A. About question A, you got 3 and 3. The first number and the last number is 3. So their sum is 9. I will separate 9 become the two number. Here is 9, here is 1, this one is 3, and this one is 3. And I will figure out, I will choose the option have the product of, the sum of tens. So I will choose this one. And here you got 3x squared plus 9x plus 1x and plus 3 here. So the first two terms you got 3x will be the common factor. X plus 3 will be the same inside the bracket. The next one I will put x plus 3 inside the bracket and 1 will be outside. The new common factor is x plus 3 and the next one 3x plus 1 like here. Okay. Question B. The first number and the last number is 2 and 1. Their product will be 2. So I need two number have sum of 3. I will separate 2 become to 2 and 1. So their sum will be 3. That's why I will write down 3x become to 2x plus x plus 1 like here. Take 2x outside, this one will be x plus 1 and the next one is x plus 1 here. So you will have x plus 1 multiplied with 2x plus 1 by this writing. Yeah, we finish question B. About question C, you got here is 3 and 4. Here is 3 and 4. Become to 12 and then here become to 6 and 2 minus 6 minus 2 3 and 4 minus 3 minus 4, but I only focus on 8. So for this option I'm got their sum is 8. That's why 3x squared plus 6x plus 2x plus 4. So take 3x outside, x plus 2. Take 2 outside is the common factor, x plus 2 here. So x plus 2 will be the new common factor. And the second bracket is 3x plus 1. 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. Yeah, we finish question C. The next question about D, you will have 3 multiplied with 2. So you will have 6. And for this kind of question, I need focus on the minus side. This means here is minus 2 and minus 3. And here is 2 and 3. But I only choose this option because for this option, I have their sum is minus 5. So minus 2x here, minus 3x plus 2 here. Take x outside. 3x squared minus 2x, take x outside, you got 3x minus 2. And for the next question, I will take minus 1 outside. Very carefully about the side of this question. After that, you got 3x minus 2 multiplied with x minus 1. Question E. 2 times 5 equal to 10 and their sum have to be minus 11. So I will have minus 10 and minus 1 because their sum will be equal to minus 11. And 2x squared minus 10x minus 1x plus 5. So take 2h outside, h minus 5. Take minus 1 outside, h minus 5. Because minus 1 times minus 5 will become to plus 5. That's why I have this option. So here is h minus 5 multiplied with 2h minus 1 here. Yeah, that is question E. Move to question F. From the first number and the last number, you got minus 15. And this is become to 5 and minus 3. Because for this option, their sum will be 2. So you have 5h squared plus, oh, is that right? Yeah, I think so. Minus 3h minus 3. So 5h will be outside, h plus 1. Minus 3h will be outside, h plus 1. And here you got h plus 1 multiplied with 5h minus 3 here. 5h minus 3. Yeah, that is question F. Question G, you got 3 and minus 4. About 3 and minus 4, their product will be minus 12. And I need minus 11 here. So I will choose minus 12 and 1. Because minus 11 multiplied 1 equal to minus 12. But their sum is minus 11. Here is sum. And then I will have 3h squared minus 12h plus 1 plus 1h and minus 4. Take 3h outside. You got here is h minus 4 plus h minus 4 here. And 1 will be outside. And take h minus 4 is the new common factor. 3h plus 1. Yeah, that is question G. Move to question 8. For this one in here, you got minus 3. Minus 3. This is minus 3 and here is 1. I don't think, yeah, sorry. I will choose this option because minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2. Yeah, exactly equal to the second coefficient. So 3h squared minus 3h plus 1h and minus 1. Here is 3h, h minus 1 and plus with h minus 1 like this, multiply 1. So take h minus 1 outside, you got 3h plus 1 in here. Yeah, we finished question 8. About question I, how can I solve with this one? How can I solve with this one? 7 and minus 5, a little bigger. Yes, minus 35. Minus 35, yeah, 7 and 5, of course. 7 and minus 5. The next one is minus 7 and 5. I have this sum equal to minus 2 and this sum equal to 2 here. So I don't think I will choose the second one. I will choose the first one. 7h squared plus 7h minus 5h and minus 5. Take 7h outside, h plus 1. Take minus 5 outside, h plus 1 in here. This means h plus 1 multiplied with 7h minus 5. Yeah, we finished this question.